Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubham and you're watching Sketch Groove. So today we are going to see how to draw this hyper realistic iris. So I'm just making a small series of how to draw realistic eyes. This is the first chapter of first lesson for how to draw eyes. So let's start the video without wasting time. Let's go. So guys, before starting the video, this is a small tip for you guys. So basically there are two types of charcoal which I'm using. This is a natural charcoal and this is a camelin pencil or charcoal. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub this charcoal pencil on sandpaper, and I'm going to use this sandpaper as my base layer, and I'm not going to use any type of pencil, charcoal pencil or pencil. So I'm just going to use this powder and I'm going to shade with the help of using a brush. So this brush I'm using is makeup brushes. You can get it on the market. So this is the first camelin charcoal pencil. So I'm just showing you this because of you should yourself decide which is the best for you guys. So it's up to you. So just watch it, and if you like it, if you like the charcoal pencil or camelin charcoal pencil, up to you. You can use any one of it between them. So I'm showing you this because of I want you guys to know that there are different types of charcoal in the market. You have Genrix, Camelins, them Derwent, and I think so Apsara charcoal pencil. Yeah, there are many of them. You can try it according to you. So I'm just using this camelin charcoal pencil because it's like very less costly, cheap, and the natural charcoal which I'm using, it's a homemade, actually not homemade, but I've just bought it from a place nearby my home. It's a charcoal type of. So I bought it in kgs, around you get it around 50 rupees or something, 60 rupees per kilo. You can buy it from there, or you can just order it from online. The best charcoal as I know is a willow charcoal. A willow charcoal is some, I think so, like it's obtained from a willow tree. So if you notice general charcoal pencils which are very costly pencils, and they are making this charcoal with the help of the willow charcoal and some, I don't know, solutions which they are using. So you can, if you get the willow charcoal stick, you can use that for your shading. So if you notice, the camelin charcoal pencil is not blending so nicely. You have to take time for the blending, and the thing is, the camelin charcoal pencil, this powder sticks to the paper very nicely as compared to natural charcoal. So you will see the difference in some time. I'm just going to forward the video. So now it's time to use a natural charcoal pencil. I've just stored it on a small container. You can use any container. So just if you see the difference, if you will notice while using the natural charcoal blends very well. It does not give you a darker values in some places, just like a camelin charcoal pencil. It gives you an even shade. So you can use this charcoal for shading a base layer. Then you can use any charcoal stick or anything to get the darker shades or values. So I'm just going to forward the video, speed up. So guys, I'm going to make a very realistic this balls. So I'm just making it like to show you guys how it will look. If you notice, the camelin charcoals look somewhat gray. Means it's not gray. It's like it gives you a light shade of yellow or orange. If you notice it. So without wasting time, we should start the video now. And please subscribe my channel, guys, if you like this tutorial, small tips. It's up to you which you're going to use. I will let you know what I'm using while sketching. So let's start the video. So for the specific iris, I'm you should have the mono eraser or any eraser which has a fine tip. You can just cut the eraser, get a fine tip, and you can use that. So but I prefer you guys to use a mono eraser or a pencil eraser of Kohinoor will also do the work. Just make sure while blending you should not apply too much pressure on the brush, so this will not it will get hard to erase. So I'm just drawing some basic lines where I've drawn the highlights. So you just have to create this 3D texture by just watching the reference image. So what I'm just doing is where I have drawn the highlight. I'm just where I drawn the highlight. I'm just drawing, sketching some with a 2B or pencil. You can use a mechanical pencil. I'm just going to darken the below the layer. So if you see any image, set the reference image or any image, you can see from where the shadow light is coming, and according to that you can arrange the shadow. So I'm just doing same way. I'm just making it more darker right now. So I'm drawn the iris first only. The center part which I have darkened, I have used the 8B pencil of Staedtler's black color pencil, and then I have applied some charcoal pencil to it. So I'm using a charcoal powder only for this particular iris. I'm not using a natural charcoal pencil. I'm just going to blend the area as shown in the reference image. I will show you the reference image or upload in my website. You can check the link in my description. You will get there. So what I'm going to use is first I'm going to make a small iris lines with the help of a 2B pencil. You can use anything, 2B mechanical pencil or just a 2B Staedtler pencils. Then I'm just going to draw some details. So what I'm using right now is a mono eraser. You can get it at market. So right now I'm just creating some small light highlights with my mono eraser. Make sure you don't have to follow a specific pattern while sketching. Means if you're sketching something which is made by nature, it will not be in a straight line, okay, or it will not be in a pattern or something. It will always have some zigzag manners or something which will not look man-made. Okay, so while drawing the iris, same thing you have to keep in mind. Don't have to follow each pattern every time. Means for example, many of you do mistake while sketching iris. You draw the lines which in the middle, like a straight coming out for, and not every time, never it will be same angle, same shape. Every line will not be same shape. So what I'm trying to show you, I will show you the image. Never draw this kind of eye anytime, guys. So it will look very unnatural and not realistic. So you just have to make some lines which are broken somewhere, or that the roots of the line are joining the another line. I don't know what we call to this iris inside lines, so I'm just calling them as a line. Okay, so hope you understand it, what I'm trying to say. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my video. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care, be safe, and sketch with me. The next video will be uploaded soon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.